You should put me in the studio, my guy. Cause I will read my vocals. The best time right now. Yes. Kayzano. Woo. Come on, TK. You need me in the booth, bro.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Get free remix. Out of the top of the fucking. Hey, get this video to 100 likes. We're gonna hit a remix.
I wanna take you to the hills, show you what and you gon' tell me how it feels, when you fucking with a real O-N-E-N-O-T-I-C-S-G. Attention please, you won't wanna leave, then I'ma put the moment on repeat. I'm in the hills, baby, I got bands in my hands, look at the view, baby. All this money we could blow, just me and you, baby.
And we back with another video. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with KC. Alright, so guys, today you already know that today we're bringing heat, we're bringing nothing but flames. I know most of you don't know this artist, but then trust me, trust me, you have to listen to the song. And I'm here to introduce the song to you guys and vibe with you guys. And what I'm going maybe I know. So I think you've heard me playing it before, but then you're gonna have to react to it. You're gonna have to listen. And believe it or not, guys, this guy from AU. Once again, if you're from AU, guys, please comment down below. Go support your people, guys. You're doing major things. Support your boy. If you're from AU, comment down below. I don't know, say AU or what, I don't know. Before I forget, please like, share and subscribe. Share to at least 5 friends. I keep asking that, to at least 5 friends. If you're from AU, you gotta share to AU, guys. You gotta share to everyone at AU. They have to listen to this. They have to know that AU's got talent. Yeah, I'm going down the list. If you requested a video, I'm going down the list. So don't worry, I'm coming to you guys. I'm coming. But please, don't sleep. Don't sleep on Zim Talent, guys. Don't sleep. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Yes, sir. So, the name of the song, as you can see in the title, you already know. I'll leave the link to the video down in the description, so please don't hesitate to go listen. I know you're gonna fuck with this.
I got a wave, yeah. Pack your bags, hop in the bed, let's go away, yeah. I knew a place we can just stay every day, yeah. You know the drill, just for the deal, just for the thrill. I'm in the hills, baby. I got bands in my hands, look at the view, baby. Guys, come on, baby. Come on. If you know this artist, guys, hit the comment section. I think most of you don't know the name, but TK, if you guys know TK, let me just put his freestyle there, yeah? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, it's 2 Minute Tuesday and we've got A-Drug with the freestyle. Let's go.
Okay, let's see. Dropping these bars since 2012, just call it a habit. Just imagine how good I'd be if I actually practiced. People come and go and that's how the cycle goes. Man, it's either they leave you better or leave you cold. Things are changing, I can feel that I've been growing up. Even the people that left me, they started showing up. Nobody's perfect, I've accepted my flaws. True beauty is connected to scars. Now I see the world differently and everything is not what it was. It's amazing that we made it this far. Now I came through straight from the valley of the shadow of death. I come correct, best believe I'm a threat. I put you niggas in check. Too broke to even pay me respect.
Yes, sir! Yeah, so that's TK, guys. This is a song, and trust me, guys, you have to go listen to this boy. I think we have to react to the EP. He's got an EP.
Oh, the album.
Yeah, but I think there are 2 people here. Let's go.
All this money we could blow, just me and you, baby. We can blow it till we pass out. Right now, I
I'm driving 80 in a 40. And we be trapping in my foreign 80 and we be whipping that portion. You know that we drinking that no stress. I'm in the hills, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And I'm in the hills, baby. No. And I can tell you really like it. With a smile on your face, girl, you so excited. Don't be scared to take control. So many places we can go. Tell me what you waiting for.
But guys.
Kasonga like Aminu like
These lyrics, though. These lyrics.
Yeah, I'm listening
I
to
feel like
lyrics.
these lyrics, guy.
Yeah.
If you're a guy, hey, take note of these lyrics, guys.
Take note.
Over Angoti, you just write them down, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Send them to your yabe, send them to your broads.
Yeah,
I think they'll work.
Yeah.
I think they'll work because
they'll
wakati 1 2 1 2. That's it. Wait.
With a smile on your face, girl, you so excited. Don't be scared to take control. So many places we can go. Tell me what you waiting for. Right now, I put my life on the line. I had to decide. Some of my friends turned into haters. Now I can't be surprised. I used to tell them that I'll make it, but they just looked aside. But now I'm switching now. I got a different crowd. Now I'm a boss.
Oh yeah.
I'm on the right side.
Yeah.
You wanna throw shade? This isn't the right time.
Yeah.
This is a good year.
Yeah.
You said I was too scared. You said I'm a lame one, bro. But why is your girl here? Yo, I gotta.
He said I was a lame one. But why is your girl here?
Yeah.
Why is your girl here?
A lemon.
But it was my
I'm a buzz, no man.
my boy, my vocal.
No.
Wait, yeah. Pack your bags, hop in the bed, let's go away. Yeah. I knew a place we can just stay every day. Yeah. You know the drill. Just for the deal. Just for the thrill, just for the thrill. I'm in the hills, baby. I got bands in my hands, look at the view.
Alright, but guys, hey TK, bro. Hey TK. Hey, you should contact your boy, guy. Hit my DMs, bro. And though you should put me in the studio, my guy. Cause I will read my vocals. I'm in the
He needs some milk.
I'm in the hills, baby. Hills, baby. Hills, baby. The best time right now.
Yes!
Kayzano! Come on, TK. You need me in the booth, bro.
Huh?
Don't know it's like at that.
So I'm going to read about the
remix.
Huh?
Get free remix.
Out of the top of the fuck.
Hey, get this video to 100 likes. We're gonna hit a remix.
I'm driving 80 in a 40. And we be trapping in my foreign 80 and we be whipping that portion. You know that we drinking that no stress. I'm in the hills, baby. Yeah. And I'm in the hills, baby. No. Let go of the haters, I already told you. Jealous focus on what we gon' do. Touching and love it cause we in the right mode. I make you feel like I'm the right dude. Cause we poppin' bottles, low in the back like we won the lotto. I make you feel like a model. Dropping the low, I wanna take a photo. Girl, is you with it? We wanna pass through the limit. Cause I'll be all in your feelings, be all in your dreams. And the hills like the weekend. Only the 2 for second is slow. You already know it's a vibe. We at the peak and you was the freak. That's why I say that you're mine. We be chillin' in the mountains, but we sweaty like a fountain. Never low key, I know. Puffin' the pencil, we keep it soprano. I wanna pull up your skirt alone, and you wanna play with the dirt.
Wait, I'ma pull up the skirt. Don't fuck up with this flow. There's a flow, there's the vocals. What more do you need?
You should check the notes.
But I'm a big broken doing that. Wakauya panapa wakati une bibra yako so vakukurira mavocals 1 2 anobaya anokutrota flowing like
You hop out the front, girl, I wanna take you to the hills, show you what and you go tell me how it feels, when you fucking with a real O-N-E-N-O-T-I-C-S-G. Attention please, you won't wanna leave, then I'ma put the moment on repeat.
I'm in the hills, baby. I got bands in my hands, look at the view, baby. All this money we could blow, just me and you, baby. We can blow it till we pass out. Right now, I'm driving 80 in a 40, and we be trapping in my foreign 80 in and we be whipping that portion. You know that we drinking that no stress. I'm in the hills, baby. Yeah. I'm in the hills, baby.
Now we're ready
Oh.
for the remix. Pull up the skirt, pick up the jet. Yeah, I take it and pick up the skirt. Yeah. Let go. Oh.
Come on. 100 likes and we dropped that remix.
Remix. We are ready. Remix.
100 likes, guys.
Guys.
But guys, hey, don't laugh at me. I can't sing for shit. I can't sing. That's all bands. But then yeah. But takazifunga toibudisa.
Ebudise. Mina chinge mabhazi. Chatumira mabhazi.
Chinge mabhazi.
Rawa bhazi. Tumutraga Peter. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Guys, come on, stop playing. Hey, so yeah, that's the end of the reaction.
That's the end for the shout out to Notix.
Yeah, shout out to Notix, shout out to TK and the homeboy. I don't know who else is in the song, but yeah, shout out to you too. And yeah, if you're from AU, please share this video. Please share with a friend, share with someone.
And comment.
Yeah, and comment your, I don't know, your favorite bar or something. Rate the video. Or you rate the song.
11 out of 10.
11. You know the problem is, I'll rate the item like a 9, right?
9 out of 10.
But the problem is, wafana wakada kuimba pamberi pemabhimbi edu vanotora ndopane nyaya saka vanofana kudzikisa because vafana vanoda vazofarisa otanga kutitorera mabhimbi asi kuda wana 3 songs
Saka 8 out of 10.
Chris Brown vana triple. So yeah, without further ado, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please share with at least 5 friends. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, you should subscribe.
Yes, sir. So yeah, thank you guys. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
KC.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, hey, Sash, look, good vibes, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. 2 sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name, whoa. They gon' be, yeah.